So now, the functions you've been waiting for. Tangent. I have arrows here. These are just actually points to be made into an arrow style. But the thing about these arrows is there are very, very long equations that I had to find in order to be able to program them in order to dynamically move accurately with all four of these transformations and with the distance slider. That was quite a bit of work. It was very challenging, and I think it's an excellent end of the year project in a pre-calculus course because it will test knowledge on sequences, on basic geometry, inverse trig functions, on trig functions, in regard to domain, range, and specific features of trigonometric and inverse trigonometric functions, and so forth. And notice here I have asymptotes here, but let me zoom out some. Let me keep on zooming out, and zooming out, and zooming out. Now, how about I just move it from left to right? It doesn't matter what I do, there are asymptotes in the correct places. I can adjust B now to get bigger or smaller as I want to. Not that you would ever need this for a class, but it's fun to play with. I can reset function and I can zoom and so forth. So here I have n set equal to pi over 4 by default because pi over 4 is a nice value since tangent of pi over 4 is 1, but I can increase it or decrease it as I please. I can go all the way to multiples of pi over 12 and I can go down to multiples of pi, however I choose, and it will dynamically adjust, which is very, very neat.